Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen vegetarian. Begin by simmering a vegetable broth with kombu and dried shiitake to extract umami quickly, then add miso and a splash of soy for depth. Toast sesame oil briefly with garlic and ginger, then combine with strained broth. Taste and adjust salt and acidity, then keep warm while you prepare noodles, toppings, and garnishes to finish a balanced bowl. Use high-quality ramen or alkaline noodles to get the right chew and spring in each bite. Cook according to package instructions and shock briefly in cold water to stop cooking and maintain texture. Toss back into very hot broth to reheat just before serving so noodles stay lively. Balance soft and crunchy toppings like blanched greens, roasted mushrooms, and toasted sesame seeds for a satisfying mouthfeel every time you eat this vegetarian bowl. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like. It really helps support more recipe content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free kitchen timers, upbeat cooking playlists, and easy recipe reminders. It makes multitasking simple and fun. I find it handy to set multiple timers and control music while stirring broth. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors deliberately with small additions that build umami and balance. Start with miso or soy for salt and savoriness, then finish with a touch of rice vinegar or lemon to brighten the broth. Toasted sesame oil and chili oil add aroma and heat, while nutritional yeast or powdered dried mushrooms deepen the savory profile without meat. Taste as you go and make adjustments in small increments to keep the bowl balanced and flavorful for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.